Hi everybody, I'm Andrea Pirisi, CEO of Underground Power. We'll spend 5 minutes talking about traffic, road traffic. How do you think, is it a source of waste or a source of revenues? Well, 30 million vehicles on Italian highways and more than 1 billion vehicles just here in California say that should be a revenue. Let's see how. Every time one of us slows down from 30 to 10, it discharges more than 20 watt-hours of energy. Every time. Can you imagine how much energy is it? Well, talking about money, can believe or not, more than $50,000 are wasted in gas and brakes every year in every road crossing, medium road crossing. So what's a clean idea? Recover the energy with the brakes. Well, but how? By means of our flat modular device that can be installed at ground level or over the surface in decelerating lanes. The car grows up. There is a speed absorption. The device collects the kinetic energy, converts it to electrical one, and sends to the national grid, or you can use it for local purposes. In any case, think that you are realizing CO2 compensation of traffic from traffic itself. And this is great. This is very cool. Cool, yeah, but is it also profitable? Well, a medium power plant, 10 meters long, should be cost $50,000 in the road crossing. If you have 50,000 cars per day, the BEP will be in 10 years without any incentive from government. If you have 10,000 cars per day, you will reach it in 5 years. And this is a medium case, not best case. The best case is that one. Highways, 1.5 million investment, $300,000 revenues per year. Can you imagine that one in Los Angeles City? It's amazing. Really. So what's the market? Every decelerating lane with more than 5,000 vehicles per day. A huge market, quite uncountable. We estimated 26 billions just in Europe. But here in America, I really think that should be uncountable. So I think you're guessing yourself, who is the client? The public, since working with public should be a mess. I agree with you. No public, private business. That's it. But since private has money, but public has roads, we have to arrange a negotiation. Let me make an example. You have a private business who spends $50,000 per year in electricity, and his activity stands right in front of a road with 10,000 vehicles crossing in front of his activity every day. He puts down 2 power plants, $24,000 per year. The power plant costed $100,000. So he is going to saving something like $22,000 per year. What the rest? But the main issue is, was in it for public, for the city hall. 5% of revenues for the energy without any risk of investment. This is a win-win approach. The only approach, the best one, just to spread out this technology. This is the approach we are using in Italy, just to put down our first 10 installations this year in order to go through the serious production the next year when the certification process will be done. Our financials design the company with 25 million revenues in the 5th year. As you can see, we are looking for 1 million, 1 million too. But we are going to be positive. I know you can see over there. You're going to be positive at the 3rd year. So we already found a company with 150, and we are looking 1.2, 1.4 million in order to feed sales, marketing, equipment, and research and development. This is our team, very expertise, more than 50 years in engineering, financing, industrials, and research. We already granted with $90,000 grants by 2 business plan competitions, one in Monza, one in Trento, and with a young night shift for innovation from our province. And that's all. Thanks for your attention.